How to reset font style to default on Android phone. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset font style to default on Android phone. To reset your Android phone's font style back to the default, you will need to simply follow these general steps that can apply to most Android devices. First of all, you'll need to open your device settings. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then at the top right corner, look for the gear or the settings icon. Simply tap on it and this will take you to the settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, now here you will need to scroll down to find the display option. Once you locate the display option, simply tap on it and inside it, look for font size and style option. Scroll down to find it and once you locate it, simply tap on it to open it. Now inside it, here you'll be able to see the space. Look for font style option here. Once you select it, now you will be able to see the list of custom fonts. From here, you will need to choose the default font option which is usually at the top of the list. Simply select the option and then your phone will briefly restart or refresh the UI to apply the default font. You can see you have successfully resetted your font style to default. So this is how you can reset font style to default on Android device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.